Hey guys, as in the previous video you just learned how to download Android Studio. Now in this video I'll be helping you to install it in your system. Now open downloads and open the downloaded Android Studio file. Now you just need to give a permission to do that by clicking on yes. There comes a box. Now just click on the next option. There is nothing we can do right here, just leave the same way it is and click on the next option. Now this says that all the Android Studio files will be stored in the C drive, so I prefer C drive. Let this be the same way it is and just click on next. The same repeats here as well, just leave the way it is and click on install option and wait until this loading process to be completed. Once this is done, the down options will be unlocked so that you can just click on the next button. Yes, now click on the next. Click on finish so that the 50% of the installation process is completed. Now just click on OK. Yes, as of now there is no need of sending any statistics to the Google, so just blindly go with the don't send option. So this is the logo of the Android Studio 4.0. Now this says that the apps can be developed for phones, watch and everything, so just click on the next. As you are a beginner, I prefer you to go for the standard option instead of custom, so let's just quickly go for the next option. So here Android Studio provides two options for themes, that is Darkula and light theme. I personally feel Darkula is I like Darkula, but when it comes to the tutorials part, I think light is the best, so let me go with the next. Here you can just install all these packages by just clicking on the finish button. Then it starts installing or unlocking or whatever it is. Now just wait until this gets done. So once this is done, you are good to go. Click on the finish button. You see, these all are the packages that are going to install in the Android Studio, directly. So wait, yes. Now just asking me for a permission. You can't see anything on my screen because the software which I use to record my screen isn't showing anything, but I bet you get a small box asking for a permission. Just click on the yes button and now we are good to go. I think it completely successfully installed Android Studio. Now just click on the finish button so that a box appears. Yes, so that's it. The installation process is completed successfully. In further videos I'll be helping you to get familiar with IDE, so keep watching.